This is a video to help you with Welsh Second Language GCSE in your group oral exam, Unit 3. Unit 3 is worth 25% of your final grade. When you arrive at your exam, you will have 10 minutes to prepare in your group. You will be given your exam paper and have a choice of 6 questions. Choose one of them. When you've chosen your exam, you will be allowed to make notes from your heads in those 10 minutes and take them into the exam. You will not be allowed dictionaries or any prepared notes. You then need to speak for 6, 7, 8, maybe 9 or 10 minutes in groups of 2 or 3 to answer the exam question. To help you answer well, a little helpful mnemonic is tropic. What does tropic stand for? T-R-O-P-I-C-C. Tropic. Well, that stands for, the T is for tense. You must get a variety of tenses in your answer. Use the present tense and the past tense, especially in question 4, where it asks you for the past tense on the foundation to your paper. Reasons. Achos mine, because it is. Learn some good adjectives. Don't just use the usual diflas, diddorol, great. Learn some new ones. Have a variety. Give your opinion. Mynegi barn. That's going to be happening all the time. You're going to be giving your opinion regularly. So, yn fy marn I, in my opinion, that's a phrase you're going to be using a lot. Dwi'n meddwl bod is another one. I think that. What does the P stand for? Well, the P stands for person. You must use your first, second and third person. First person, talking about yourself. Third person, talking about other people. And when you ask questions, you'll be asking it in the second person, you. Ti and chi. What does the I stand for? Idioms. An idiom is a saying, a special way of saying something. And in Welsh, we have plenty of those. If you use idioms, it makes you sound more natural, and the quality of your language gets better, gets richer. Hebos na goni bai is the example here, which means without a doubt. What does the first C stand for? Connectives. Like felly, therefore. Ond, meaning but. And. Achos, because. Connectives help you to say more. Use them. And the last C stands for the conditional tense. You might have your present and past tense, but you should also try and get your woulda, coulda, shouldas. Woulda, coulda, shouldas are your conditional tense. I would, you would, he would, she would, could. Hoffwn I would like. That's a good one to use.